Hey guys, welcome to Visible Engineers. In this video, we will discuss the reason behind binding of reinforcement steel with binding wires. So let's get started. To avoid the displacement of bars during concrete pouring. If you pour the concrete without binding the bars, there may be a chances of displacement of bar. To avoid that, we bind it by binding wires. To keep the reinforcement intact in its required position. To keep the steel bars in fixed position, we bind it by binding wires. To provide the spacing of bars as specified by consultant. In case if you do not bind the steel with binding wires, then spacing between the reinforcement may increase or decrease while pouring of concrete, which leads to the decrease in the strength and ductility of the structure, and which could lead to the failure of structures. Keep lapped bars in desired close position to transfer forces correctly. If two bars are not properly lapped, then load transfer between two bars will not be correct. Again, which will lead to the decrease in the strength of concrete and which may lead to the failure of structure. To secure the secondaries like chairs, spacer bars, etc. in position during construction. Chairs and spacer bars are provided to make sure the spacing between the bars. To bind chairs and spacer bars with main steel bars, we use binding wires. And the final reason is for miscellaneous construction related purpose like grouping and transportation, etc. So that's all about binding wires. If this video is helpful for you, then give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.